welcome back to today's video. My name's Amy if you're new here, and today we have a little thrift haul. Now I'm going to film this today, which is a Friday, and I'm actually going on holiday, so I'm not quite sure what the uploads will be like, although there is loads of charity shops where we're going, so I'll probably have a look in there, and if I do get something I may do a cheeky upload then. But besides the point, so I went to the Gallywood charity shops, which are becoming my new kind of favourites. There's just one, there's just two there, but they're really cute and they're very convenient to get to. So if you're in the Essex area, definitely check out the ones in Gallywood. But I'm going to try not to ramble too much, because I'm literally leaving in about 20 minutes. So I need to film this and we'll probably edit it in the car. So let's get to the first item, which is this gorgeous H&M originally dress. Now this was £5. It's from Bernardo's and it's a size medium. Now I'm really praying this will fit, and it's basically this black kind of ribbed jumper material, high neck kind of midi dress. Now I used to have one of these in red, I used to have it in black, and I used to just love the shape of these. I find they're really flattering on kind of a curvy figure, and I'm really hoping this one fits. I haven't tried any of these on obviously yet, but I'm hoping this fits, and I'm hoping this will be a nice kind of autumn kind of dress. I think these are really good because you can pair with a smart coat and it looks really dressy. Alternatively, you can kind of dress these down quite easily, maybe with a kind of a denim jacket, some trainers. I just think these are really cute and very versatile, and I'm excited to wear this. So for £5, I've actually been looking out for one of these for about a month now, so I'm really glad I finally picked up one of them, and I'm praying it fits. So happy I picked this up because this is exactly what I wanted. It fits lovely. It's the tiniest bit snug on the arms, so I feel like these ones always are. Like, I feel like that's kind of the style. And also, I didn't notice it's got kind of this split sleeve. I don't know if I can show that very well. Also, I'm not quite sure where the split's meant to go, if it's meant to go kind of where your palm is. But yes, I think this is super cute, very flattering. If you've got a kind of a curvy figure, I feel like this is the perfect thing to kind of highlight your curves. And I feel like this is a gorgeous one to kind of dress up, dress down. It could be a really nice first date outfit, because kind of no matter what you're doing, this will fit the tone and also shows off your curves amazingly. So need to find a first date to wear this on. Once I found that, I'll wear this. This is so cute. It would also be quite a cute winter wonderland date if you wore tights, socks, boots, and then a nice coat. This would be gorgeous. So yeah, I'm obsessed with this one, and I'm so happy I picked it up. And I'm so happy I finally found one, because it's definitely a thing with thrifting. Like, if you are after a certain item, obviously it's so much harder to do that thrifting. Obviously, normally you can go on a website and find it really quickly. But with only shopping secondhand, I do normally try and give it like a month of trying to find it in store before then I'll just go on Depop or one of the online kind of thrift shops. But I do try and do it actually in charity shops, and I'm so happy I did with this one, because I don't think I can get one much better than this. I love this one so much. And for context on the length, it's kind of just below my knee, so a perfect kind of midi length, and I'm so happy with this one. It's so nice, and yeah, really happy I picked this one up. The next thing I picked up, which I actually thought would look really nice with this black kind of high neck top I'm wearing now. This was originally from Tesco's. It's in a size 16, and I got it from Bernardo's for £5, and the original price was £20. It's actually new with tags, this one, and I just thought the colours on this was absolutely gorgeous. So it's just this kind of midi, I say skater skirt, but I don't know if that's what I'm looking for. It's got these gorgeous kind of pleats down it, and I just loved kind of the colours on this. I love the pattern. I thought it was just a really gorgeous kind of more dressy, very classy looking skirt. Now I'm thinking this with a black kind of one of these tops, kind of a ribbed top, would look really cute. I'm thinking with some black sandals, and I think you could dress this up and dress it down, but I'm thinking probably nice for like going out for dinner. And yeah, I thought this was super cute, and I know with these sort of skirts they are so comfortable. So perfect one if you have got people over and you want to be a bit dressed up but then also want to be comfortable. I find these skirts are super flattering on every body shape, and yeah, really comfortable. So I picked up that for £5. Here is the skirt. I actually think this is so gorgeous. I'm so happy I picked this up. I did because I do have a couple of skirts in this shape, but I just love this. I actually have a red one, I have a black one, and then I have a yellow one that's kind of a bit different. But I love this so much. It actually is the tiniest bit big. It's a size 16, which I am definitely on my hips, but around my waist I don't really need that kind of size, but it does fit nonetheless. It will stay up, and I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I feel very pretty in this, and yeah, love it so much. I then picked up this for £3.50, and this is in a size 18. It's originally from Next, and this was from Harley Hospices, and it's just this gorgeous kind of orange top. Now it's a bit of a quirky shape because it's a bit like a sweater vest, but with kind of a little bit extra material on the sides. It also is kind of really stretchy, kind of jumpery fabric. It's a really strange fabric, and I actually have one other top in this fabric, and I love it because when you're hot, it's a really cool fabric, and when you're cold, it's still kind of thick enough to be a jumper. So it's kind of good if you're like hot or cold. I like these, and I'm thinking this with some high-waisted jeans would be, if I specified high-waisted as if I wear low-waisted jeans, this with some jeans I think looks super cute. I think the lightness of like a blue jean with this orange would look really cute. And I love yellow, and I feel like orange is like the autumnal winter acceptable version of wearing yellow. I know it's not yellow, but you know what I mean. And I think it's super cute, a nice pop of colour. I'll feel like a walking pumpkin in it. And yeah, I really like this. I'm thinking with jeans this would be a really nice look, maybe some boots and even a leather jacket. And yeah, I picked up that one and I'm super excited about that. And here is the top. I must admit, before I had this tucked into jeans, I wasn't so sure on the cut, but now it's tucked into jeans. It's exactly what I was picturing, kind of this gorgeous shape. This kind of shape is super flattering. I think tucked into some high-waisted jeans, this is such a nice look, and I think the colours complement each other really nicely. I think black and leather jacket would pair really nicely with the orange. I think you could kind of make this really suitable for autumn really easily, but I do think it's a good kind of spring transitional piece as well. And obviously we're still having days that's not kind of super cold at the moment. I know today is. But yeah, super happy with this. I'm really happy I picked it up, and for the kind of cheap price, I'm really happy with it. I also picked up, which I will insert a picture of because yes, I haven't got a picture of it. I got this Disney quiz card game. Now this is £1. I'm not quite sure how much it would have been originally, but it's from M&S and it's just Disney trivia card game. And I thought this would be really good for the weekend away I'm going on because we've just hired a place, so we're just going to be kind of playing games and things like that. And me and my sister love Disney, so I felt like we can have a Disney off with that. And also, I'm going to Disney in December. So I was thinking this would be a nice game to take to play on the Eurostar, and yeah, really happy with that. And then I picked up this bracelet. Now, this was from Bernardo's, and I believe they say these are new and they kind of get them in and they have loads of them, but this was £1.50 and I'm going to try and show you, but I'm not quite sure how well I'm going to. And it's this gorgeous kind of gold bracelet with these gorgeous kind of roses on, and this was just giving me major Beauty and the Beast vibes. In fact, for my birthday, it's my 21st birthday next weekend, or it's on Wednesday, but we're having a party next weekend, and I'm wearing a yellow dress which is very Belle, and I might actually pop this on because I feel like this is a gorgeous kind of dainty necklace. I'm also thinking this could potentially stretch to be big enough to go on your ankle. I think that'd be a really pretty anklet with kind of the roses hanging down like that, and I just think this would be absolutely gorgeous. So for £1.50 I thought it was amazing. And then also the man put it in one of these gorgeous little pouches, and I thought this is such a good idea. I definitely think if I need presents for like the girls, I feel like I would definitely pop back to Bernardo's. And wouldn't it be so lovely if you are having a dinner party and everyone has a little one of these kind of on their place setting with a bracelet in, and for £1.50 that's such a reasonable way of doing that. And I definitely think sort of when I have the girls over for Christmas I might do that. So if you guys have that, you've already been spoiled that this is happening. But I got this and I was super happy, and in fact we put it in a little bag as well. Such a good gift idea. I'll definitely be going back for more, for like gifts and things like that. It's a perfect kind of topper up present if you've got someone something but feel like you want to give them something a little bit more. I mean, that looks gorgeous and looks amazing by itself, so super happy with that. And that's everything I picked up today. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment what your favourite piece was down below, subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!